Dave, we need to talk.
What is it, sir?
What was going on in there?
Just a pep talk. Nothing interesting.
Good. I admire the way you handle your people. They do one hell of a job.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Something tells me you didn't come all the way over here to tell me that.
No, I didn't. Ever since this wars began, the terrorists have been outsmarting us, outwitting us at every turn. Wherever we send our people, as if they know it, they're there waiting on us.
Yeah, it seems so. I noticed that too.
It's enough to make you think that they're smarter than we were.
Yeah, but they're not.
Exactly. They just had an upper edge on us. Until last week.
What are you thinking?
I just got word that Agent Pultro's promotion came through. The Bureau wants to put her in charge of Afghani intel. One of the best we've ever had.
Yeah, sounds like it's not going to be easy to find someone to take his place.
I already have.
Sir.
You.
Sir?
Your new assignment begins immediately. You are up for it, aren't you? Be in my office at 0800, first thing in the morning. And by the way, good luck.